Hi guys, today we're making slime. The world's smallest slime there. We've got glue, some pink food colouring and some of borax. Need the PVA to go in. Okay, now, oh, it's gone on the table. There, we did it. All my friends wanted to really do this, but bad luck, friends. Okay, now just putting all the glue in. Whoa. I'm trying to not get any on the side, that's why I'm doing this. Whoa. Isn't that satisfying, Daddy?
Let's have a look. Do it again. Oh yeah. That's really relaxing.
So will I just pour it in?
What, all of it?
Yeah, I'll just pour it in.
You want to pour it all in?
Yeah. Wake up, I'll go and put this.
Leave that in the tub because you need that for mixing.
This one?
Yeah, leave that in there because we need that to mix. You're going to pour it all in?
Because it's a bit easier.
Oh, that's so relaxing. Do you know people play with slime for relaxation?
Really?
Yeah.
I do not. Okay, next we need this. One drop, because that'll be enough, because we don't need too many drops.
What colour does it make?
Pink. Well, that's a really nice pink. Looks like roses. Oh, it's actually rose pink too. Whoa.
Put one more drop in.
One more drop. Plus two.
2 drops.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa, that's better. Whoa. Look. What if my friends are still playing out?
I don't think they'll be playing out at this time of night.
Whoa, it's like red. Well, that is still a really nice colour. Okay, next we need to add... Daddy, is there any foam?
Foam? No, we don't have any.
Okay, I found some gel, guys. That'll really work in our slime. Whoa, look at that, Daddy.
What colour? Oh, yeah.
It's blue.
I'm going to put pink with blue.
Yeah, it'll make purple. Oh, that pretty mist.
Angel, you've got it on the table.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Oh, Mummy might tell us off.
I'll go and get a napkin.
Pardon?
I'll go and get a napkin.
You want to get a napkin?
Yeah, I think that's enough. There we go. We've got it.
Mix it up, Angel. Mix that.
Okay. Might just be adding a bit more. No, it's not coming out. Okay, next we can add the activator. I wonder what that gel will do to the slime. Just mix it because we made it. We didn't just buy it from the shop. 1, 2, 3, buy. There we go. Okay. This is going to be really nice slime. It's already turning into it a little bit. Okay, we might need a bit more. There we go.
Oh, it's nearly making slime, Angel.
Yep. We might need a bit more. I bet my friends will all be like, oh, we wanted to make slime too. They did all want to make a slime. I cannot mix it with my hands yet. I need some more activator. I do, because I just touched it with my hands. It's really sticky. Oh, this is so hard to make. It's getting tough. It's getting so tough. Oh, but it's getting nice. getting nice at the same time as tough. I'm making 2 slimes here.
You making slime out of that pot as well?
Well, we'll just mix this one first. And it's got a bit of that gel in it. This is like the smallest slime ever, this. Baby, look at that. That's the smallest slime ever. And that could be the container for it.
Pardon?
If we get out the gel out of there. If I get all this gel out of here, I can make that baby slime can go in it. Okay, I'm just mixing to make really nice slime. Okay, right, I think it's ready to mix with my hands. Oh, that's so sticky. I need a bit more activator. Not sure if it's not stretchy. But it's still really nice. I think I might need a bit more activator. Because look at that, it's so sticky. It is really... Oh, look at my hands. It's like... So I'll have 2 different colours of slime, blue and pink. I don't know if this one will make... I'll just tell all my friends that this is bubblegum slime. I'll say, oh, this is really nice bubblegum slime. My friends will be like, oh my god, you just made a bubblegum slime. And I'll be like, yeah, I did. Actually, I made a normal one and a bubblegum one. Oh, it's not fair, is it? No. Blah, blah, blah. That's what my friends will say. I need more actually. Just dip this slime in there. And then that'll be a bit easier. I'm going to finish the other one now. And then we can say bye, guys. It's getting really tough now. Do you like it, guys? Comment in the comment down below. Do you like this slime better or do you like this beauty better? I'm mixing it with a wrong spoon, silly me. Oh, that feels so nice. I think I might be ready to mix with my hands. Yeah, I'm gonna just mix with my hands a little bit now. I don't think it was ready to mix. Okay, right, I think I might need a bit more activator. Whoa. This is so nice. This is how it should look when it's finished. So, bye guys, I hope you like watching our video. Bye!